Hey fams, welcome to another moment with Love Mentor. My name is Nwakama and this is hearttohearttv. If you're just tuning in for the first time, please note that this TV is all about relationship, marriage and career tips. And usually we drop our episodes every Sunday, but during the week we drop a live video if we have questions that we want others to benefit from. So you connect with us and join our live video during the week. I want to especially welcome every first person tuning in for the first time. So if you're just tuning in, subscribe to the YouTube channel with the red button below this video and turn your notification bell so that you can get notified each time we do a post on this TV. Today we'll be looking at how to fix a heartbreak in a relationship, which stands as episode 4 of the topic we've had so far. So if you've missed episode 1 to 3, you've got to go through the link below to watch that episode 1 to 3. I tell you, it's really going to help you to understand why we came about this episode 4. Keep watching. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some practical ways on how to fix a heartbreak in a relationship. If you look at from episode 1 to 3, you understand that you were being persuasive with your partner to actually solve the relationship problem. If that relationship problem was actually solved at that moment, then you don't need episode 4, or you may just need to watch it to have the knowledge of what I'm going to be telling you today. But if that relationship did not get solved with episode 1 to 3, you've got to try these steps. I'll be very frank with you in this video because your partner may be giving you red light instead of green light, and you cannot keep being in that kind of situation. You've got to make the next move, which is 1, accept and face that your relationship has changed. It is obvious you've tried so many steps, but you just need to help yourself to move on. You have to eat from that broken heart and see yourself in another perspective. You know, I've been in situations like this whereby I had to go through some patient process and effort. At the end of the day, it didn't work. I knew, yes, I had my fault, but I tried all I could to get that relationship back. I apologized, I did all of that, but it did not still work out. I've been in that situation, and for you not to go through that situation, it's better you're hearing it now so you can avoid them. 2, give him space. I really mean this. You have to give him space, because there's a saying that distance makes someone misses you. So when you both are apart, there could be room for him or her that is not responsive to actually feel like, oh, I miss my partner, oh, I miss something about my partner. It could make them realize how much they want you. It could make them feel like, wow, I need to get this solved. That partner that is not responsive may find the whole scene not interesting and just want to work it out to get you back. So it's an effort. You stop calling, you stop WhatsApping, you stop checking his Facebook, stop checking his social media platform. Stop, because it's really going to push you to call, it's really going to push you to do a lot of things. So you stay off that. This particular topic is actually very sensitive. I'll tell you 2 things that could happen, but I'll tell you 2 things that could result to it. Like I said earlier, I promise that 2 things will really happen. 1, it will call you to check on you. It will tell you sweet things. It will tell you he misses you. It would scold you why you've not checked on him for a while. And that's a sure green sign that your relationship is actually coming back. But 2, it will never contact you anytime soon. So if it doesn't, you move on. I repeat, if it doesn't contact you after all of this, you move on. So thank you for watching episode 4 of how to fix a heartbreak in a relationship, which I need you to watch the episode 1 to 3 so that you can understand this episode 4. If you have questions or you have suggestions or you have comments, you have experiences you want to share on this video, please drop them below this video, and I tell you, I will be willing to talk with you on your response below this video. I love you all, and stay tuned to hearttohearttv. Continue to follow us on all the social media platforms so that you can get notified. You can get our various posts. We do posts every day on those social media platforms, and I tell you, you're really gonna love this channel. Remember to share this video with others you know it could help. Share it on social media platform, and stay tuned. I love you. Bye.